I got a little too drunk last night and I couldn't finish my vlog. It was good. I don't care what that means. Tina and I are about to get breakfast downstairs. We're not gonna go anywhere in particular because we are going to Red Rock, where the amphitheater is today. We're gonna do some hiking, some nature stuff. Really excited. But yeah, we gotta make sure that we're well nourished for this hike. Feeling great, feeling good, and really enjoying Denver, Colorado. Marijuana is legal here. They just decriminalized mushrooms, so you can do whatever you want in Denver basically, unless you just don't hurt anyone. But it's a pretty cool, free place. Reminds me of Bogota and Amsterdam mixed together. That's what Denver reminds me of. So Tina and I are here at Red Rock. I made the mistake of putting the Lyft driver at the bottom. Luckily Christian was cool enough to bring us up to the top. But this place is awesome. Look, it's Pride Rock from Lion King. Can't wait to see this place. Yo, this is where Zordon brought me when I was a Power Ranger in the house. Oh, okay, visitor center. This is crazy. What? Yo. Crazy people just running, sprinting, doing push-ups. Wow, look at all these green mountains. Beetles. That's crazy. Wow. James Taylor. I love James Taylor. Ozzy Osbourne. Foo Fighters. We got the Beatles. That must have been an awesome. Oh, it's when they're older.
Because they came back.
Yeah.
On the track in any type of vehicle.
Wow. Just herded. Tina and I are going on a hike right now here at Red Rock Amphitheatre. I guess this park, Red Rock Park. So pretty cool. Heading up to the geode location. I'm not really sure where it's.
Geological overlook.
Oh, the Geodude overlook. We're going over to see the Geodude overlook. Yeah, it's gonna be great. Trying to find out where we are so we don't get wrecked. Apparently Red Rock Trail maybe ends here, and then it says follow shoulder to Dakota Ridge Trail. Then just running, just going for it. Dinosaur Ridge. These are all the dinosaurs from this area.
Can you see that sign?
Allosaurus, Stegosaurus, Apatosaurus, Eolambia, Origmaticmus, Tyrannosaurus Rex. Alright, so what to do if bitten by a rattlesnake? Remain calm, seek immediate medical attention, keep a bit normal leg, body part, or slightly below heart level.
Go walk and see if your tickets are in your plate, or...
If you're just gonna walk in, the tickets are cleared out of our parking lot, make a left for that those intersections straight, a little bit to the
Got some molds. Crazy. This thing was just walking around at one point. Tyrannosaurus.
Fossils in
I see.
area.
Whoa. So the mud is the reason that it was so easy for them to get trackings of all these animals.
That's why there's so many like big thingy
Like
lived in the
water dinosaurs rather than land dinosaurs. I would think it was giant land dinosaurs. No. There was some water all through it. That's crazy. Look at these eggs. Eggs. Dinosaur. Tina and I are in Dinosaur Ridge, learning about the dinosaurs that lived here in Colorado, which we found out actually was not always land-based. There was water that went through this. We found out that there's a lot of amphibious and water-like dinosaurs rather than giant green foliage-eating dinosaurs. But this is the place, and we're gonna see what we could find out in this area.
river, and the bones ended up here after a wash downstream. So it's all these skeletons mixed up like crazy. And of course they didn't know that.
So this is like the guardrail from their previous road, because they didn't realize when they made this that it was on top of dinosaurs. I had no idea. Tina and I are back in downtown Denver. We just came back from Red Ridge Rock. that place was awesome, I'm not gonna lie. Definitely recommend people going to that. Get out of the city. The city's great, but I'm just saying that it's really nice to see the nature part of Colorado. Right now we're just gonna go back onto the 16th like Pavilion Street. Yeah, Denver Pavilions. And we're gonna try to find something for Tina and myself to eat a little bit before dinner later tonight, because I ate all the food in the, in the hotel room. I ate all our leftovers from last night. Tina and I almost went to a restaurant we've been to before in Baltimore, Bethesda, like Rock Bottom Brewery. So we got up and said that something happened, but we didn't. We went to Legal Burger instead. Only place I'm drinking Coors because we're the place that brews it. Cheers. Slinger.
We just wanted to try new things.
Stream.
Things they don't usually. You get the good pictures, and I just get whatever.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Just finished eating at Mercantile Provisions and Dining and Provisions. I don't know what the f I ate. We're here at Union Station. It's a really nice part of the city. So today is our last day at Denver. We're actually just leaving for the airport, but it's been a great time here. Very mind-blowing experience. I came in with no preconceptions of Denver whatsoever, so I'm very happy with our experience here. So thanks a lot, Denver.